Get ready to be blown away by my latest creations. I'm excited to introduce the most innovative widgets I have ever made, and I cannot wait to share them with you. These game-changing products are exclusively available to my Patreon and Ko-fi supporters at tier 3 and above, so you're in for a special treat. Let's dive right into the first one and discover how it will take your streams to the next level. Have you ever wanted to create a frosted glass effect for your videos but were deterred by paywalls? Well, look no further. In a recent video, I showcased the stunning DSK blur effect, which unfortunately became unusable for many people just 2 days later due to Stream Effects going paywalled. But don't worry though, I put on my thinking cap and found a way to make this effect without Stream Effects. And the best part, it's completely free. After struggling to get this effect to work, I was just missing one piece of the puzzle. That's when Exceldro swooped in and saved the day. So stay tuned for the release of this amazing product and subscribe to my channel for more alternatives to Stream Effects. Like I say, when this is out of early access, it will be completely free and you can download it straight from the Stream.Bot website. Introducing the perfect all-in-one goal widget for your stream. This sleek and customizable widget covers everything: concurrent viewers, followers, subscribers, cheers, and donations. With the ability to edit which goals you'd like to display and customize the colors and fonts, this widget is a must-have for any streamer looking to take their channel to the next level, but in a clean, minimalistic way. It's available for both Streamer.Bot and Sammy, so don't miss out on the chance to elevate your stream and engage with your audience like never before. Introducing a revolutionary widget that will change the way you raid another streamer on your stream. Say goodbye to the awkward moments when starting a raid and having to explain who the target is. My widget pops up the user's profile picture and starts a countdown timer while simultaneously starting a live stream of the target's channel. This way, you can easily talk about the raid target while you and your viewers watch the stream. And that's not all. My widget will automatically stop your stream straight after the raid, so you'll never have to worry about being caught doing something you shouldn't be doing after ending your stream.
You dirty pig!
It's available for both Streamer.Bot and Sammy, so don't miss out on this game-changing widget. Be the first to download it and take your stream to the next level. Big shout out to James Lee 85 for actually reminding me that I made this. Go check him out on Twitch and say Andi sent you, alright? As a streamer, engaging with your audience and promoting your brand across multiple platforms is crucial, but it can be hard to remember to remind your viewers to follow you on different platforms, or even use their Prime to get a free sub. That's why I created the ultimate solution. Sleek and customizable call to actions that automatically pop up on your stream at a custom time interval. And the best part, you can change every single aspect of the call to action, from the color to the font to the text. I've included all the major platforms that streamers use, but I'm always open to feedback on what else to include. And for those who want something truly unique, I have created 5 custom slots that you can add your own custom logos and customize to your liking. It is currently only available for Streamer.Bot, but the Sammy version is in the works thanks to Silverlink support. You don't want to miss out on this game-changing widget, right? Now for my greatest creation. This has been the soul of my creativity recently. I am ecstatic with the results. Introducing the Dynamic Stream Island. This all-in-one solution takes your stream to the next level with its elegant design and comprehensive features. I wonder where I got my influence for this. Let me know in the comments. Not only does it display important information such as the number of viewers and the current date and time, but it also includes all of your alerts, with smooth animations showcasing new followers, cheers, and so much more. And with a lock feature to prevent unwanted notifications, you can keep your stream spam free. But that's not all. I'm actively developing extensions for the dynamic stream island, such as weather widgets and Spotify Now Playing. And if you have a feature request, just ask in the Discord. Don't miss out on this game-changing widget that will elevate your stream to new heights. Download it now. Please remember, all of these products are currently early access only. This means that they are only for Patreon and Ko-fi members, supporting at tier 3 and above. All the links are below. There may be issues too, so please post any feedback in the private Discord server you'll have access to. These incredible widgets are all part of my content developing and going in a new direction. If you want to find out more, see this video just here. I hope to see you over in the Discord. Put your rock over the stone.